It's going to continue to make tomatoes all the way up. And get those suckers out of there. We're growing fruit, not leaves. And anything you see that's got any brown on it, get it out of there, especially in the rainy season. Yeah, with the rain we've had, I want to open these up. Sometimes you got to dig down in there to get one. Look how nice that is. That is beautiful. And here's where you got to be really gentle. And you want to continue to give it support. And it's getting there right towards the top. If you don't want to break anything off. That's 6.5 feet tall. Then again, so is our amaranth. See how big these are? Look at this. Bruce, you didn't tell me that the Florida purple beans got this big. It took these guys a little while to start turning. These are beautiful. Give that another day. There's a couple more good ones. I heard a guy on the gardening channel say the hardest work you do in a deep mulch garden is harvest. Yeah, the hardest work you do in a deep mulch garden is harvest. We had another really hard rainstorm overnight. We're going to get one again tonight probably. And that's great, except 92 degrees out here takes it to 114 heat index. It's just now cooling off. So I apologize for this being this late. I've just brought you along to help us pick a little bit tonight. Run out of containers, run out of kitchen space. It's a good problem to have. We're still getting blackberries, along with some really nice squash, cucumbers. Beans are starting to come on. And then of course our tomatoes. That's just the ones that turned pink today. We'll be out here again tomorrow. And this is just how fast they ripen up in the house. These will be like that in 2 days. What'd that guy on the internet say? The hardest thing you have to do in a deep mulch garden is harvest? You can do this too. And while it's this hot, these are probably going to come out pretty late. They're probably not going to be very long. But Saturday, we've got a treat in store for you. I hope you join us for that. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.